Hey Greg, yeah, this will just be a short video. Yeah, this came in a cardboard box. It was padded good. What it is, it's a headlight visor, for a Harley. This is your basic 7-inch headlight. I'm going to put it on my 97 Fat Boy. It enhances the looks. I've always just liked the looks of these things. But here it is. And I'm going to be installing this. Boy, it's very shiny and the metal is strong. I'm surprised at how strong this metal is. I bought it off Amazon, but there it is. So if you're looking at my bike from the side, so you'll see this. Yeah, that will enhance it well. Oh hell yeah! But I got this. See, oh man. It was $7.47 off of Amazon. And then tax, oh yeah, I had to pay for shipping on this too. Amazon's bad about that shipping crap. That's why I wished I could have found this on eBay, but with the shipping it came up to $13 and something cents, but it's still worth it. I'm happy to have it. I'm not particularly happy with this design on the top. I think I'll brew that with something. I don't know. Or I might just leave it there. What difference does it make? It doesn't matter. But I might later, like get a gold Harley emblem, with the wings and, their stick on it and just stick on that, to cover, if that's supposed to be a skull. Hell, a skull is something that died, I'm alive, don't need to put this up before fuck it up. But I'm going to be putting that on my Harley. The other thing, I got a chrome luggage rack, bolts on the back of the sissy bar. We're on the same Fat Boy I'm going to put on, which I don't actually need. I just like to enhance my bikes, with chrome, where I can. Anyway, this is all for this video. Later, folks.